Right, and so welcome to part 3 of the Pride Longbridge car show in Longbridge, obviously. So here is the Metro Owners Club stand, starting off with this lovely Vanden Plas, whatever you want to call it. We're not going to get into arguments about this. We get them too often, but yeah, that is lovely condition. We've got an Austin Metro here in like a primrose yellow colour. That's lovely. I think this is, yeah, it is DAB. I'm sure I've seen that at the Galen show back in July. This one is a 114 GTI 16 valve. I think we've come abroad with this one. We've been left-hand drive. So it's got the 16 valve K series under there. Very, very nice. Probably zoom very fast as well. This is, I mean, I know it's got a Lotus cam cover on it, but it's probably just a K series. So this is another GTI 16 valve. Very nice. This one's obviously been banger raced. It's interesting seeing stuff like that actually here. You know, you don't really see things like that. Usually, it's a lot more things like this that are more, you know, originals. Obviously, this is a Mini Metro 1.3 HLS, very early one on an X plate. I believe it came out on a W. We've got a MG Metro. I think this will be probably a 1300, won't it? With a larger engine. We've got a police Metro there. That's very cool. Have a look inside here. Actually, it's very cool. Yeah. Another MG Metro. Very nice. And we've got this Rover Metro here, 5-door. Came from Evelyn's Halshaw. Very cool. There's a pickup here. This is very interesting. Let's see what this is like. Oh, this is, yeah. It's different, isn't it, that? A Met truck. I like that. That's cool. We've got a Metro Rio and also a Metro GTA. That's a very rare one. You don't really see GTAs, do you? Lovely little Rover 100 here. This one came from Vincent's Rover in Yeovil. I think I've already got that dealer sticker on actually. After seeing the collection, yeah, I probably do because I remember something like that. 100 Rover 100. We've got a Rover 111i. Very confusing badge, really. It's very, very odd, you know. Another lovely GTI 16 valve. White suits it very well. And then we've got a Mini Metro 1.3 automatic. I'm going by the badges again. I'm terrible. Yeah, that is very tidy as well. That is pristine. Another Mini Metro automatic. And then this caught my eye. This is a Metro van. It's a very late one. It's on a J plate, so we didn't obviously do the facelift of the van until, well, probably later on. But yeah, that's very tidy, immaculate. It looks tidy underneath. You can see brand new bolts and stuff under there. Let's have a look over here. So here, I assume it's another GTI. I've got something coming in here. Interesting. Yeah. Another early one. This is another. I think this is a GTI. I presume it's GTI. It's all very colour coded. Rover 100. Another Metro here. It's very nice. And then there's another GTI. Lovely stuff. Looks like an engine out for 25. That one. Yeah, this is a Rover 100. Now I wanted to come over here as well because there's something very interesting over there. This is a 114 GTA Cabriolet. Very cool. And then we've got this 1.4 SI. It's lovely, that. And this is what caught my eye here. There's a lot of, it's like, yeah. There was a 200 coupe like this over there. It's very interesting. But yeah, it's very odd indeed. It's absolutely ram-packed full of stuff as well, like genuine Rover stuff, absolutely ram-packed. Looking there, it's got the jackets, it's got all the little things on the dashboard, all the die-cast models, brochures, photos, all sorts of history with it as well. We've got some stuff in the back there, fire extinguisher, med kit. It's even got a pin badge set as well. You don't really see them either. But yeah, that's brilliant. Even has an ice scraper in there as well. That's the stuff that you want to see. That is the stuff that you want to see. That is brilliant. A Rover 100 from Edwards, suggested by the massive deal sticker in the back window. A City X Metro, so yeah, this is probably just a level up from the City. Extra stuff, extra bits and bobs on it. It's very nice, is that? We'll go around here. This is the Type R Rover 100. Next to it we've got a GTI 16 valve Metro. We've got another Rio. And we've also got a 1.1S. That one came from Rugby Rover Centre. Very cool. And we've got another Metro GTI. There's a lot of GTIs here today, I must admit. We've got a 114 GTA. This one's been debadged, so I'm guessing it's a Rover 100 regards to the clear indicators on the back. This is very interesting indeed. It's got some stuff on the roof. Yeah, that's very, very much different. Yeah, I do like seeing stuff like this here. It is funny, it's cool. We've got another Metro Turbo in white. That's lovely. Nice interior on that as well. Aerial on the wing, that's what we like to see. A Rover, well, I'm guessing this is another GTI, regardless, unless it's been swapped or something. And then another Rover 100 there, which is very nice. So yeah, this, you know, as I say, I am kind of rushing it just to get through everything. I will try and get through everything if I can. But yeah, that is, yeah, we'll try and get them all in. There's some little bits of information in the back there as well. It's very cool. This is probably one of the more larger sections, so this is mainly Rovers, 75s and other Rovers of, like, you know, ZRs and, well, MGs should I say. Yeah, lots of different Rovers that are the same but different colours and stuff, monogram, you know it. Yeah, stuff like that basically. Yeah, so we've got some lovely green ones here actually. I'm going past them because I'm rushing, but yeah, we don't want to be rushing. We do want to see the cars obviously. So yeah, there's a nice lineup of some 75s there, very nice. An MG3 ZR, very nice. Obviously apparently a moonshine, but you can't really see it well in this weather. The sun isn't on it, so it doesn't really show its full potential, unfortunately. We do have a silver 45 there, very nice. Oh, ZS, sorry. Another MG ZS there. Firefrost, I believe. Is it Firefrost? I presume it's Firefrost. Do correct me if I am wrong. Another MG ZR, which is very nice. Some more ZRs here. Now this one's nice. Obviously a monogram by the looks of it due to paintwork. It's a 160 apparently. Let's have a look around the back. Yeah, I mean, I probably believe them, to be honest. It will be a 160. MG TF. Oh, it's an MGF. Never mind. MGF, sorry. Oh, it's getting windy. This is a Rover 45. I'm not sure what this colour is. This is very interesting though. This is obviously a monogram. I'm not sure what the colour is though. Let's have a look here. What is it? Moody Blue, that was it. Moody Blue. I didn't even know this existed until now. What is this one? Not sure what this colour is again, but obviously it's a very nice one. You don't see many of this colour on 45s at all, or any Rover really. Don't know what it's called though, unfortunately. I have forgotten again because I'm terrible at remembering things. This is interesting. I'm guessing this is another monogram. I'm sure they're all together, I think. Yeah, so this has got some lovely photos of a car. I'm guessing this is a car at the factory. This one is Gulfstream, and it's even got the original price with it as well. Financial stuff, very cool. Nice ZT there. We've got another ZT. ZT. Sorry. Another Typhoon ZTT. Lots of T's. Yeah, ZT. T. Another ZT. This is I think this is Celestial Blue. Celestial. We'll go over here now. We'll go down. Yeah, you know what? We'll go down. We'll go down this row. I know there's a lot of 75s here. Not sure what colour this is, but it's very nice. I'm not sure. I couldn't tell you. Another lovely facelift 75 here. I think this is owned by Rover 75 Survivors or something on Instagram. I'm sure I've seen it on there. Got an early 75 with the aubergine interior. That is absolutely lovely. You do not see that really at all. Oh, that one's there, the V6 as well. That's very cool. We've got JAN. This is Tom's from Tom Mitchell's YouTube channel. He's got a YouTube channel, does lots of Rover content. He's brought his 75 after just having his wheels refurbished. So he's just managed to arrive, luckily. But yeah, I do like that colour on that. It suits it so well on a 75. We've got another Rover 75. I think this is a monogram. I couldn't tell you. I think it is. I think it's a Mirage, this one. I think it's a Mirage. I think this is Firefrost. V6 as well, that one. We've got another Mirage there. I'm guessing this is it the same one as over there? No, slightly darker, that one. I'm not sure what this one is. I did see it on a photo on a 25, but they never made it in that colour. Another Rover 75. I don't know if that's a monogram. I know there is a black monogram called Black Pearl or something. I don't know if that is actually it though. It might be, it might not be. Now my phone is on 20%, so I need to be quick. So we'll probably have to cut across over to the BRM soon. Another Mirage MG ZTT. That's very nice. And then we've got some more Rovers here as well. Very, very nice. So I think what we'll do now is we will hop over to the BRMs, and that will be for part 4. So yeah, I'll see you then.